Hi guys, I'll show you how to block USB ports on your PC from registry editor. Just search to enter registry editor. I type in regedit. Also is another way to enter the registry editor. Uh, Type Windows plus R key. Type regedit. Enter. Now we are in the registry editor. Now we have to find the USB store key to change the value and block the USB ports. In the local machine, go to System, Current Control Set, Services, search for USB store key. This is the regedit key where we have to change the value from 3 to 4. Now your USB ports are blocked. Thanks for watching.